Saving more money each month requires a blend of smart financial habits and careful planning. One of the best ways to save more money is by tracking your expenses regularly. When you know exactly where your money is going, you can identify areas to cut back. Look for subscriptions or services that you don't need. Limit impulse purchases and find ways to reduce your daily expenses, like making coffee at home instead of buying it on the go. Another effective strategy is to set up an automatic transfer to your savings account as soon as you get paid. This way, saving becomes a priority rather than an afterthought. So you're less likely to spend the money before you've saved it. Now, you're going to treat savings like a non-negotiable expense, just like paying the bills. Live below your means. This is another crucial step. You don't need to sacrifice enjoyment, but by finding simple ways to lower costs, such as cooking at home or choosing more affordable entertainment options, you can free up extra funds to put towards savings. So you can also consider shopping for deals, buying in bulk, or reducing energy costs at home. All right? Finally, stay disciplined and regularly review your progress. Small changes made consistently over time can lead to significant savings. By being intentional and mindful with your money, you're going to build your savings each month. All right? Let me know if this helped.